Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Do you want to start selling handmade products, digital downloads, or creative goods online? Opening an Etsy shop is one of the easiest ways to start an online business, even as a beginner, okay? So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to open an Etsy shop in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what you need before opening. So make sure you have email address, bank accounts, government ID, phone number, product idea like physical or digital, and preparation speeds up approval, okay? So first thing first, create an Etsy account. So go to App Store or Google Play or www.etsy.com and click sign in. Select register and create account using email like Google, Apple, or Facebook. Verify your email address. This becomes your seller account, okay? So now start opening your shop. So click your profile icon, select sell on, Etsy, okay? And, click open your Etsy shop. Setup wizard will begin. So choose shop preferences, select shop language, shop country, currency, choose currency matching your bank accounts, and choose your shop name. So must be unique, like 4 to 20 characters, no spaces or special symbols, okay? Examples like Craft Nova, Atlas Designs, okay? Name represents your brand, okay? And create your first listing, add product photo, title, description, price, quantity, shipping details. Etsy requires at least one listing to open shop, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.